toes up. So squeeze your heels together and feel your sits bones zip in. Pelvic floor, lift it. We roll to your middle back, think Vrastra, exhale up. You roll and up. So the goal is to make it a smooth roll. Once you feel like you've mastered that, then you can bring the legs a little bit tighter. The other thing is push the shoulders down as you pull up through the low belly. Do one more here. Yes, good, nice rolling, Lisa. Then bring the knees a little bit tighter, arms up. So like a bicep curl, get those shoulders down. We roll to the shoulders and up. A little harder. And good. Yes, and 4. And up. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, hold. Gets fun here. Left leg goes up. Hands on that right knee. Yes, we're all balancing. Good job. Heavy shoulders. Pin that right foot into your left knee like a passe for those of you who danced at one point. And back. To me, this is the most fun you can have working your abdominals, other than the joke board. Don't worry, someday we'll come back to the joke board. Up. One more. And switch. So you're working your core, but your neck is at ease. Your shoulders are at ease. 3 more. And 2. And 1. Okay.